As in any career, women in research can face unique challenges if they choose to start and manage a family. For these three women, all in different stages of their careers, finding a happy medium is key.
My name is Charlotte Phillips, and I'm an associate professor in the departments of biochemistry and child health. Our current studies are focusing on the disorder osteogenesis imperfecta, or brittle bone disease. I think the hardest thing about kind of being a woman is managing the family. You're sitting there knowing that you could put in more work if you decided not to go home or didn't spend as much time with your family, but this is such a narrow window in your life. I think for the most part, our ceilings are sometimes dictated by women's choices, and I'm okay with that. I think the thing is, really look at your life and realize what's important to you. And then, when you work really hard. And when you're not working, you leave it.
While Dr. Phillips has been managing work and family for many years, graduate student Erin Kettle is still exploring her career path, as well as planning her wedding.
My name is Erin Kettle. I am a graduate student in the Division of Biological Sciences, and I work in Charlotte Phillips' lab. And I study the effect of the lack of a protein called myostatin. I got engaged New Year's. The wedding is scheduled for June 1st of next year, so we have lots of time to plan. Starting a family is definitely something I want to do someday. I'm not exactly sure when. I'm working on the wedding part first. Obviously, I'm very busy with classes and research, and then trying to find that balance with life outside of lab is always a challenge, and I think that everyone kind of handles it differently. It's all definitely doable. You just you have to be as efficient as you can when you're doing your work in the lab. Multitasking is great.
Undergraduate students may not have to worry about weddings or children just yet, but they see the choices they may have to make in the future.
I'm Jessie Fiontek. I'm an undergraduate here at Mizzou. I major in biology and chemistry, and I've been volunteering at the Phillips lab for about 3 years. In the near future, I hope to be moving into medical school. The whole thing has been super demanding because obviously I can't put a hold on school when I'm worrying about my medical school applications. I mean, I'm lucky enough to have a mentor who is a woman and is a great example of how to balance family and work life. So it's not anything that I really have to think about very much at this point. When I get older, it's going to be harder being a woman because I will have to deal with when I want to have kids, making sure I'm the right age, making sure I can balance work and having a family. So I think about it a lot, but at this point in science, there are enough women who have gone before me and done it that I know that I don't really have to worry about it and that I can work it out.